Our end-to-end insurance platform, IBSuite, allows insurers to innovate while at the same time transacting their business. IBSuite is the innovation platform for the modern general insurer, which can enable new business models at speed. With IBSuite, we can support greenfield initiatives and complete rip and replace migrations of entire portfolios. The SaaS cloud technology underpinning our platform introduces a completely new cost and availability paradigm for mature insurance core systems in Europe. IBSuite is constantly upgraded without any downtime, and due to the no-code, low-code approach, IBSuite is easy and fast to configure and maintain. With my 25 years in the industry, it's clear to me that what we offer with IBSuite is very different from what everyone else is offering, and that we are one of the front runners in the paradigm shift towards cloud-native solutions for the midsize and large insurers in Europe. IBSuite is truly an end-to-end cloud-based SaaS insurance platform, flexible and easy to integrate, and with a low TCO, evergreen, always up to date and always relevant.